In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sample companies in QuickBooks Online. If you want to explore QuickBooks without changing anything in your real books, using a sample company is a great option. It gives you a safe practice environment with preloaded data, so you can click around, test features, and get more comfortable with the platform before working in your own company file. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon, and it opens a menu with several account and company options. From that menu, select Switch Company. This is where QuickBooks lets you move between different company files connected to your account. On that screen, click Try a Sample Company. QuickBooks will then show you a list of sample companies that you can open for practice. Choose the sample company you want to use from the list. Depending on what you're trying to learn, any of the available options can help you explore the system. After you make your selection, give QuickBooks a moment to load the sample company. It may take a few seconds, so just wait for it to open completely. Once the sample company is open, you can start exploring the sample data. This is where the real learning happens. You can look through customers, vendors, products, invoices, expenses, and reports to see how information is organized and how transactions appear inside QuickBooks. Because the data is already filled in, it's easier to understand how different parts of the system connect to each other. You can also use this sample company to practice creating transactions and running reports. This is especially useful if you're learning how to enter sales, record expenses, or review financial information. Since you're working in a sample environment, you can test things freely without affecting your real company data. That makes it a smart way to build confidence and learn by doing. When you're finished practicing, go back to the top right corner and click the Settings icon again. Select Switch Company one more time, and then choose your own company to return to your regular QuickBooks file. That's all there is to it. Using a sample company is one of the easiest ways to learn QuickBooks Online in a hands-on, low-risk way. Thanks for watching.